Hello, good morning. Hindi, yan. Mighty. Or every morning. Kahit sila. Si Aiko ay busy sa kanyang yogurt. This is our daughter, Aiko. She is so busy eating her yogurt.
Aiko, say good morning.
Say good morning. Good morning to the video. Say good morning, video.
Good morning, video.
I'm Aiko Isabel.
What a messy.
What a messy. Oh,
Messy
yes.
face.
Wipe your mouth. What a messy. Oh, continue eating your yogurt. Finish your yogurt na. Come on. What a messy.
This was an orange.
Masarap yung nakaraan na bili pa na. Yung isang box.
Pero okay lang din naman ito, maasim. Vitamins.
Konti na. Yung nakaraan kasi sobrang tamis naman nun eh. Ibang klase siya eh. Ibang variety siguro ng ano yan eh.
Ayan, no, malalaki yung...
Pulp niya. Say bye. Say bye. I'm going to finish my yogurt. Say bye. Bye to the video. Bye.
Bye.
Puno bunga. Bye bye. Puno bunga nga. So, ganyan lang siya every morning. Bata na yan. Good morning, Aiko. What happened to you? What are you eating, Nak?
This is Thomas with socks. Ay, ko ko.
How about yogurt?
Yogurt ka na lang. Oh.
You want yogurt? Eat yogurt. Asim na asim ka dyan sa ano na yan. Sa orange na yan. Yummy. Marunong na. Use your right hands, ha? Use your right hands. Use your right hands, Nak. Yan. Very good. Talagang kaliwete ito eh, no? Pag di mo sinaway, kaliwa talaga gagamitin lagi eh.
Kaya lagi mo sasabihin.
Oo, para masanay. Very good. Good girl. Yummy? You like, yogurt, anak? Eko, you like yogurt? Huh? Isabel, Daddy's talking to you. You like yogurt? Huh? Yung pinapansin. Bali ako naman ay nagtiti lang, then I'm going to work na for today. So late yung shift ko ngayon. Meron akong 1 hour na overtime.
Sour. Ito sour.
Maasim pa yan? Tea. Sarap.
Yung sambong. Dapat magsambong. Dali.
I bring my sambong na lang today.
Oo. Sige. Dala ka naman. Marami pang nga.
Mm.
This orange is so acid.
So sour. Nak, use tissue. Wipe.
Ah. Need some salt.
Salt for orange. What a mess. I could still eating. Siya naman naiwan. You want more yogurt, baby? Yes? Want more? Oh, no, 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 no. Don't play with your food. Oh, no. You want more? Huh? I'll get you one more. I'll get. Oh, plain na lang. Nag-strawberry flavor ka na eh. Ah, plain. Ah. Wow.
I need a spoon.
You need spoon. Yes, you need spoon.
I need something.
Siya na nagbukas oh, kayang-kaya niya na oh. Yummy. Can I try? Can I try your yogurt? Can I? Mmm. Yummy.
Ito? Okay na?
Mm. Aiko, you want to try this one? Ume. The Japanese apricot. This is sour and salty. Now here's tissue. Oh. Wipe your mouth. Oh, wipe the table. Very good. Good girl. Oh, so many. Oh, eat. Mm. Ay. Sanay na si Aika mag-spoon na ito. You're done? You're done?
I'm eating.
You're done eating? Oh, drink water. Drink water. Very good. More. Last. Drink water. Very good.
Oh no.
So, tira niya to. Ito yung leftover niya. Ikaw. Dan. Bye. Ito, babaunin ka na lang. Sarap to eh. Rume. Japanese apricot.